Hello students, today I am here with you with the mathematics of class 10th, chapter number 1, exercise 1.1, question number 2. First question we have already done. So second question's statement is show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. So let us start its solution. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 6. Now here question is why we have taken b is equal to 6. So here it is like division algorithm. A is equal to bq plus r, bq plus r, a is equal to bq plus r, a is equal to bq plus r. That's why b we have taken 6, right? So let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 6. Okay, on applying Euclid's division lemma or algorithm, we can find unique integers q and r are such that a is equal to 6q plus r, comma 0 less than equal to r less than 6. Now how it comes? Let us see. I will make you understand this, how it comes. Now according to the Euclid's division lemma or algorithm, for any integers a and b, we can write a is equal to bq plus r, comma 0 less than equal to r less than b. This is Euclid's division algorithm or lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Now if you are given two integers, you can find two more integers. So here a is a already, but b is a 6. That's why we have written 6q here. Right? A is a, b any positive integer, and b is equal to 6. So a is equal to bq plus r. A, for a we have written a, for b we have written here 6 and r. And 0 less than equal to r less than b. So at the place of b, we have written 6. So using this definition, basic definition, we have written this. Now give it number 1. Right? Now here 0 less than equal to r less than 6 means what? The value of r is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is up to 5. Less than equal to means it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5. But it cannot be 6 because it is less than 6. So when r is equal to 0, what we have? Put here r is equal to 0. A is equal to 6q plus 0. What you get? 6q. Now what is this number? This number is divisible by 2. So it is even number. Right? Now in second case, when r equals to 1. Now take r equals to 1 and put it here. A is equal to 6q plus 1. Now this whole number is not divisible by 2. We cannot take 2 common out this full number 6q plus 1. So this number is clearly odd, means it is not divisible by 2, right? Now when r is equal to 1, we have done. Now when r is equal to 2, what we get? Put r is equal to 2. We have a is equal to 6q plus 2. Because r is 2 here, r is 2 in this equation. Now this number, out of this number we can take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, it is 3q plus 1. So here 2 is a factor of this number. So this number is even. Right? This number is even. Same way, when we take, when r is equals to 3, a is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 3. Now here you cannot take 2 common, because 3 you can take common, but you cannot take 2 common. Means this whole number is not divisible by 2. When this number is not divisible by 2, so means this number is odd. Right? Now the next is when r is equal to 4, because we have to take r less than 6, means we have to go up to 5. Now we are here when r is equal to 4. So a is equal to 6q plus 4. Now out of this number we can take 2 common. So it is 3q plus 2. So this number is divisible by 2 as 2 is there. So this number is even. Right? Now when r is equal to 5. When r is equal to 5, when we take r is equal to 5, okay, a is equal to 6q plus 5. We cannot take 2 out of common out of this number. So clearly this number is odd. Right? Now check the odd numbers. It is 6q plus 1. It is 6q plus 3. It is 6q plus 5. So this was our question, that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So odd numbers are here: 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So we find that any positive odd integer, any positive odd integer is of the form, what is that form? Is of the form, I am writing 6q plus 1 here, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1, or 6q plus 3 here, or 6q plus 5. So this is how we do this question in a very easy manner. Right? Here you can, when r is 0, when r is this 2, when r is like this, you can do. And these are the equations we are getting. We are using this equation 1. We are putting the value of r here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? In this equation, we are putting the value of r, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this way, we can solve this question. So I hope you will understand this. And I have tried to do this question in a very simplified way. So with this, thank you very much.